Alright, I'm just trying to make a bird tutorial, which is just right here. It's laying up against the spike, and the hole is just sitting on this ridge right here. Looks like that. What I like to do is have your finger right about here, or have your thumb kind of like in the cup. And if you're, I kind of like to do, I do both. So what you do first is you just, I practiced it from big cup, where you have the hole is like kind of facing you, and you kind of gotta spin it up, like when you do it up, so it'll land pretty solid. Sorry, hold on. There. But you saw it though. So if you're not doing it from big cub, you kind of just gotta pull straight up and keep the hole in the top kind of like it's like staying straight up and down. So when you do it, bend your knees and catch it. Kind of gotta tilt it a little bit forward, so it'll lean up against the spike like that. But it can be done where it's actually not touching the spike. But that's not like required for bird. So one more time, bend your knees. Sorry, one more time, bend your knees, catch it, just like that.